With Constant Contact's new SEO tool, you can now scan your website and get a detailed report on how you can improve your site by increasing site traffic, visibility, and Google rankings. In this video, we'll go over all the different parts of the tool. To get started, click Website. From here, click the SEO tab. Then enter your website URL into the field provided. Using our SEO tool is just $15 a month and applies to both email packages. Click the box to agree and authorize payment, and then click Accept. Your website is now being scanned. The amount of time this takes varies depending on the amount of content and the number of pages on your site, so you might want to think about getting a cup of coffee. Once your site scan is finished, you'll be able to look at how your site is doing. We give you an overall score, an option to audit your site, optimize your pages, and increase your popularity. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll see a breakdown of your site's traffic, search engines your site is indexed on, and keyword rankings. Scroll back to the top of the page and click Audit Your Site to see your site's size, speed, redirects, and error pages. We'll give you suggestions on how you can improve your overall site audit. As you make changes to your site, you can rescan it on the Overview tab to see your progress. Click Optimize Your Pages to see where you can improve your page content. Click Add a new page to optimize and choose a page from the list. The SEO tool will then scan your pages and give you tips on where you can best position your keywords to develop better on-page SEO. Click Increase Your Popularity to see how you can make your site more relevant to search engines like Google. Web pages that have backlinks are considered higher quality than those without them. Same as the other steps, once you make changes to anything suggested here, you can rescan your site on the Overview tab to see how your scores change. There's a lot you can learn about your site with our SEO tool. To learn more, check out the articles in our knowledge base that go over the tool in a lot more detail. So, welcome to your new SEO tool, and as always, thank you for using Constant Contact.